Hey everyone, my name is Orly. Welcome to my channel about witchcraft, demonology, and my life here in New Orleans. Today we are going to talk about my 5 favorite books for learning about the occult. These are some of the books that were foundational to my pursuit in studies of magic. These are some great books for anyone that is interested in learning the art of ceremonial magic. I also have links to the different books listed in the description of this video. So let's get started. The first book that I recommend is called 3 Books of Occult Philosophy. This is one of the foundational books on Western esotericism and occultism. It was very influential in the Renaissance. This book has so many different aspects of it, including Kabbalah, astrology, numerology, elemental spirits, celestial spirits, as well as teachings of scrying, alchemy together in this compendium. So I definitely recommend checking out Agrippa's 3 books of occult philosophy. The next book that I'm going to recommend is called The Conjuration of the 4 Elements by Eliphas Levi. This is a ritual that teaches you about different elements of our earth, and when practiced will greatly enhance your occult and spiritual understanding. Even if you are just reading through this ritual, it will definitely give you a great insight into the structure of magic and how it can be applied into actual practice. So this book goes through the earth, air, fire, and water elements, and it actually gives you instructions on how you can get in contact with these different elements. The next book that I am recommending is called Liber Astarte by Aleister Crowley. Aleister Crowley has a lot of material that's available now online, and I chose this book in particular because I think it's great for people who are interested in spirit contact and learning how to develop their relationship with spirits, which will then in turn help you in your overall occult understanding through working with these spirits. So Liber Astarte gives you different instructions and ritual ideas and different devotional ideas that you can put into practice to align yourself with different spirits of love. The next book on our list is called Mott Magick, A Guide to Self-Initiation. This is written by Nima, and she took the philosophy of Thelema that Aleister Crowley put into motion and applied it even further through her work with Kenneth Grant and his material. As an aside, I definitely recommend any books by Kenneth Grant. The science of magic into rituals that you can actually do to get in touch with Mott, who is the Egyptian goddess of truth and justice, but also works outside of linear time, which is one of the big mysteries and secrets of working with ceremonial magic. It's something that actually goes beyond ordinary reality in these ways, and working with that particular current that Nima was moving forward in her work is really helpful in understanding the ecosystem of spirits and magic, and also in initiating yourself by the spirits. Because when we're studying magic and the occult, there are many people or places that can be initiatory to us, but the spirits are always going to be the ones that are doing the work. And this can be done in a solitary way or with other individuals. So definitely check out Mott Magick, A Guide to Self-Initiation by Nima. The last book that I'm going to talk about is called The Lemegeton. It's also known by other names, in particular the Lesser Key of Solomon. And this book actually contains a bunch of different books. It contains the Ars Goetia, which is a guide to summoning demonic entities. And it also contains other books as well that involve summoning angelic spirits and planetary spirits, as well as the Ars Notoria within it, which are magical diagrams that help you to become adept in different magical arts and sciences. So the Lesser Key of Solomon has a lot of different editions that are out. Some of my personal favorites are the Peterson edition and also the Goetia of Dr. Rudd. Those editions are pretty good, as well as the edition by Aleister Crowley and MacGregor Mathers. If you're looking for a more affordable edition of the Goetia, that is a nice one. But if you're looking for something that contains those other books, I would definitely recommend checking out the Peterson edition. A lot of them will only have the Goetia, but you can also find the other books of the Lemegeton together along with it. So definitely check those out, because there is a wealth of different kinds of rituals and essays on spirit contact and on working with chthonic spirits. And if you are interested in having a video course that teaches you the Goetia, the art of summoning spirits and demonic forces with the Lemegeton, definitely check out the Goetia video course that's on my website, linked below. I hope that gives you some ideas of inspiration for your occult journey. Those books help me so much in learning about the secrets of the occult and the art of magic, and how to understand and get my head around these studies that are so vast and are literally infinite. And so thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and give it a like if you enjoy videos about spirituality and magic. Thank you so much to my patrons. And if you need to get in touch with me for my spiritual services or any of my classes, please check out my website, link below, and I'll see everybody again next time.